Hello student, subject General Science, Standard 7th. Today we are going to solve the exercise about chapter number 5th, Food Safety. Question number 1 is given to you. Complete the following statements by using the correct options from those given below. In the bracket, some options are given here. We have to complete filling the blank. First, during the food grains from the farm, under the hot sun is called hydration. B. Materials like milk are instantly cooled and after heating up in high temperature, the method of food preservation is called pasteurization. Question 1 says here, salt is natural type of food preservative. D. Vinegar is a chemical type of a food preservative. You have to complete this, fill in the blanks with given options and underline the blank. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in your own words. How is the milk pasteurized? You have to write the whole process of pasteurization given in your textbook that we already studied by our video. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, पाश्चरायझेशनची संपूर्ण प्रोसेस व्यवस्थितपणे तुम्ही या उत्तरामध्ये लिहायची आहे. हाऊ द मिल्क इज गेट heated and it get cooled down quickly for a certain climate and it is effectively pasteurized milk is heated and get packed and get distributed in such a way that you have to write the whole method of a process of pasteurization. Question 2 says here, what precautions do your parents take to keep your foodstuff safe? What our parents takes at our home? आपल्या घरी आपले पालक, घरातील व्यक्ती कशा कशा पद्धतीने अन्नाचं प्रिकॉशन घेतात, काळजी घेतात, याचं सविस्तर उत्तर तुम्ही इथे लिहायचं आहे. We prepare food in a different way and we preserve them. Question D is here. How does the food spoilage occur? Which are the various factors of food spoilage? Food is said to be spoiled when there is a change in their color, odor, texture, quality, taste, as well as the loss of nutrient contents. Food spoilage occur due to improper handling, storage, transportation, chemical reaction, as well as the attack of insects also. There are various reasons of a food spoilage: microorganisms, enzymes, air, light, insect, rodent, parasites, and other creatures also may be get physically damaged or because of the temperature also. तापमान आणि बऱ्याच घटकांवरती अवलंबून असतं अन्न खराब कशा पद्धतीने होतं ते. क्वेश्चन 2 is here. Which method of a food preservation would you use? Drying, heating, refrigerating, freezing, addition of some chemical preservatives and the pasteurization. These are the known methods for us. Question 3 is here. What shall we do? There are vendors selling uncovered sweetmeats in open places in the market. उघड्यावरती जर अन्न विक्रेता अन्न विकत असेल अशा वेळेस आपण काय करू शकतो? Food safety is everybody's concern. We shall serve as the basic of educational programs to train the food handlers and educate them to the consumers also. We should not consume uncovered sweetmeat. Such a food is contaminated and not good for our health. We must register the complaint against such vendor. We should create the awareness about the possible side effect. Question B is here. A pani puri wala is serving the pani puri with dirty hands. We should not consume such a pani puri with dirty hands. We all know that. We should create the awareness about these possible side effects after eating such a dirty pani puris. We asked pani puri wala to wash your hand with a soap and water Use safe water for the raw materials. Cook the raw material properly and keep the surface clean and wash all the utensils and plates as soon as we use. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, बऱ्याच वेळा टेम्पटेशन, अगदी तोंडाला पाणी सुटतं असे पदार्थ बघून, पण ते तेवढेच घातक ठरतात, आपल्याला ग्रहण केल्यानंतर त्याचे परिणाम घातक ठरतात. वी कीप द स्टॉल अवे फ्रॉम द डर्टी एरियाज as well as we can serve them with the gloves also. Question C is here. We have purchased a large quantity of food and vegetable. मग आता काय करायचं? The fruit and vegetable are important to our health. We all know that. Fruits and vegetable are stored in a refrigerator. Keep the fresh fruit and vegetables separate from the raw meats, poultry and seafood in your refrigerator. Do not use some cutting board without cleaning with a hot water and before preparing the fresh fruit and vegetable. Question 3D over here. We need to protect foodstuffs from the pests like a rat, cockroaches and wall lizards. Pets like a rat, wall lizard, cockroach are etc. contaminated by food and they can be the products of the unfit of the conceptions. Due to contamination by pest, we have to face the financial loss also. If someone consumes such a food that is not good for the health, it can be affected and the humans must be prevent such a food. Question 4 is here. Find the odd one out. Salt, vinegar, citric acid, sodium benzoate. The other are the chemical preservative, but the salt is a natural preservative. The lucky dal, brick dust, methanol yellow and turmeric powder. All these are the adulterant, but turmeric powder is a real substance. Banana, apple, guava and almond we can store for a long time, but banana, apple and guava we can't store. Storing, freezing, settling and drying. Storing is not a method, this is a process, and others are the methods of the preservation. Question 5. Complete the chart. Foodstuff and adulterant. The methanol yellow is used in turmeric powder. In the black pepper, the adulterant can be used as the papaya seeds. In rava, the small iron fillings can be used. As well as in honey, the water of jaggery, even the sugar syrup is also can be get added. Question 6 is here. Explain why this happen and suggest the possible remedies on that. असं का होतं आणि त्याच्यावरती रेमेडीज. Qualitative wastage of food. Using wrong methods of protection food, the excessive uses of food preservatives, overcooking, washing the vegetable after cutting, mishandling the fruits like grapes and mangoes. What are the solutions for this student? We use a proper method for the production of the food according to food. Avoid the overcooking. Do not wash the vegetable after cutting them. Avoid the mishandling of the fruits like grapes and mangoes. We must be take care by handling such juicy fruits. Question 6D is here. The cooked rice is underdone. Due to the lack of sufficient water, cooked rice is underdone. Maybe you cook in high temperature and thus the evaporating of water long before rice actually cook. You may cook the lid of a pot early letting and steam exit. What we can do? We can add half cup of water and returning the similar while lid. Don't raise the temperature. Let it to be cooked with a slow temperature. बघा, एखाद्या वेळेस शिजलेला भात बराचसा असेल उरलेला आणि तो कच्चाच राहिला, तो शिजलाच नाही. अर्थातच योग्य टेम्परेचर आणि प्रमाणबद्ध पाणी असेल तरच अन्नपदार्थ व्यवस्थित शिजला जाईल. फास्ट गॅस करून पदार्थ लवकर शिजतो असं चुकीचं आहे. त्यातले न्यूट्रियन्स बरेचसे कमी होतात. सीज हिअर द व्हीट दॅट वॉज ब्रॉट इज अ बिट मॉइस्ट. Due to the improper storage, the faulty transportation, and the humid atmospheric wheat becomes moist. What we can use? We can sun dry them and we can remove the moisture, store and clean them. बऱ्याच वेळा अन्नधान्य आपण वर्षाचं 6 महिन्यांचं एकसाथ आणतो घरामध्ये. ऋतुमानामध्ये बदल होतात, त्यासाठी ते अन्नपदार्थ साठवण्यासाठी त्यांना योग्य वेळी ऊन देणं, उष्णता देणं गरजेचं असतं. क्वेश्चन 6D. The taste of yogurt is too sour, slightly bitter. बऱ्याच वेळा दही जमवलेलं असतं घरामध्ये किंवा बाजारातून आणलेलं असतं, तर ते थोडंसं कडवट किंवा तुरट लागतं किंवा त्याची चव बदललेली असते, आंबट असं असतं. प्लेन अँड सिम्पल योगर्ट ॲज अ रिझल्ट ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया फर्मेंटेशन ऑफ मिल्क ड्युरिंग द प्रोसेस बॅक्टेरियल स्टेन्स सच अ लॅक्टोबॅसिल्स आर इन्क्रीज इन दॅट. We should care about such a curd while using them. We can make the buttermilk by this curd also. Cut the fruit have a turn black due to oxidation reaction. Cut fruits have a turn the black. We all know that. Even apple 1-2 सेकंदासाठी जरी कट करून ठेवलं, कट करेपर्यंतच ते बराच वेळा काळं होतं. So such a food, anti-browning solution or simply salt can be used while using such a fruit. Question number 7 is here. Give reason. Food remains safe at a 5 degrees Celsius. Food remains same at a 5 degrees Celsius because that's the temperature where the most food poisoning bacteria stop growing, or they may grow slowly or they may not. 5 डिग्री सेल्सिअसवरती बॅक्टेरिया निर्माण होत नाहीत. आपल्या रेफ्रिजरेटरमधलं टेम्परेचर तुम्ही बघू शकता बाळांनो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज हिअर. नाव डेज फूड इज सर्व बफेट स्टाईल ड्युरिंग अ लार्ज गॅदरिंग. तुम्ही बघितलं असेल ज्याला आपण त्या बफेटचं उच्चारण बुफे पद्धतीने केलेलं आहे. बऱ्याच ठिकाणी त्याचं उच्चारण केलं जातं. असं का रे? पूर्वीच्या काही तर छान पंगती बसायच्या. बघा, द इसेन्शियल फीचर्स ऑफ अ वेरियस बफेट फॉर्मॅट फॉर द डिनर्स अँड द गेस्ट कॅन डिरेक्टली व्ह्यू टू द फूड अँड इमिडिएटली सिलेक्ट विच डिशेस दे वॉन्ट टू कन्झ्युम. ऑल्सो दे टेक द क्वांटिटी ऑफ अ फूड अकॉर्डिंग टू देअर नीड. Buffets are effective serving for a large number of people at once, and it prevents the wastage of food also. Thus, nowadays the food is served by the buffet service in a large gathering. So here is the end of our exercise number 5. You have to write all this question and answer in your notebook. That's all for the today. Thank you.